Alrighty, good morning. Today we're doing probably one of the more touristy things in Hoi An, which is the coconut boats. Tour through the coconut farm, which should be pretty cool, hopefully. But see how it goes. And yeah, once again, welcome to Vietnam. Awesome, thank you. Yeah.
Dưới thùng này, dưới ra là đây, trước là đây. Ra sẽ lên đó. Không có dược đó.
Thank you.
Yeah, she does.
Thank you.
Okay.
Do you want to sit on the front?
Yeah.
At all. So I'm limping. Alrighty, so that was the coconut boat experience, and it was very different from what I was expecting. I mean, it was cheap. It was like $5 each for us to go, so that, like, not a problem at all. But it was quite interesting with how many people there were. Like, there were, I would say, in what you'll see it in the video, but there were bits of that kind of boat ride where there was probably 40-50 people in like one area. It was like crazy, and it was loud. Like, for some reason, they Gangnam Style. They had like people singing, obviously singing for tips. So it's very, very interesting. Like, I don't think I've ever experienced something like that. But yeah, like, I mean, it gave us something to do, which is alright, because we've kind of exhausted all the things we can do in Hoi An unless we did stuff outside of the area, like go to Barna Hills or to Hoi An Pass. But I mean, that's what happens. It was quite interesting, and I mean, there's jobs for local people, and that's a positive. But yeah, it was quite interesting. And would I recommend it? I mean, if you want to see, it felt like there was a lot of, from what I've heard, there's a lot of Korean tourists here. So I think we turned up when a busload of Korean tourists turned up, and like they all knew each other. But I think it was just, yeah, pretty crazy. But yeah, I'm going for a swim. I won't take you along. And then this afternoon, a bit later on, a couple of hours, gonna go ride through the Rice Paddies if the weather stays as good as it is now. But yeah, I'll catch you in the afternoon. Alrighty, out in the rice fields riding. They're not very green just because they've been burnt off, as you can probably see. And the sun is setting through the smoke. Tell you what, sunset should be pretty good with all the smoke, but oh, it's hot near the fires, that's for sure. Hopefully he doesn't turn this way. Keep going. I'll meet you at the end. Good job. Alrighty, hopefully you can see me. Hopefully you can hear me clearly. Pretty good day. Didn't actually go into the old town today, which was actually quite nice. The coconut boats were quite interesting. And then this evening, hopefully the drone shots came out pretty good, but the rice fields with them burning because it's after the harvest was pretty cool, pretty moody. Sunset wasn't brilliant, but that's just because of a lot of cloud. But yeah, tomorrow we're heading back into Da Nang just for the night because we got an early flight the morning after. But I reckon gonna go into the old after breakfast. We'll go and get some souvenirs and then check out and then grab some lunch here in Hoi An and then make our way into Da Nang. I think we're staying near the beach. Who knows if we're going to swim, but should be pretty good. But yeah, I'll see you tomorrow.